Introducing the stunning 2020 Porsche Taycan Turbo, now available for just $60,000 in New York, New York. This electric powerhouse has only 3,000 miles on the odometer and is in pristine condition, with no significant damage or issues. Dressed in sleek black inside and out, it boasts 670 horsepower and an impressive 626 lb-ft of torque. Equipped with an automatic transmission and a set of 20-inch factory Taycan turbo wheels wrapped in Continental tires, this car is built for both performance and style. Included in this deal, 2 keys, the owner's manuals, the original window sticker, and a Porsche Mobile Charger Connect with a wall charger cabinet for convenient charging. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Clear history, electric efficiency, and the unmistakable Porsche luxury can be yours. For more details, or to make it yours, check out the Facebook Marketplace link below. Visit the listing on Facebook Marketplace. Here's an incredible deal for you. Check out this 2015 Mazda 3, available now for just $4,000 in Upper Darby, Pennsylvania. This stylish black-on-black sedan has been driven only 11,000 miles, making it an excellent choice for a reliable and efficient ride. Featuring a manual transmission, this car offers a sporty driving experience combined with the fuel efficiency of a petrol engine. Don't wait. This opportunity won't last long. Whether you're looking for your next commuter or a fun weekend car, the Mazda 3 has you covered. For more information or to make it yours, visit the Facebook Marketplace link below. Visit the listing on Facebook Marketplace. Looking for a reliable work van? Check out this 2014 Ford E250 cargo van, available for just $12,000 in Lawrence Township, NJ. With 114,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission, this dependable van is ready to go. Its white exterior and clean interior make it the perfect blank canvas for your business needs. Plus, it gets a combined 15 miles per gallon, offering a great balance of power and efficiency. This van is in excellent condition. No rust, no issues, and all services are up to date. It comes equipped with shelving, has good tires, and boasts a clean title with no accident history. Don't miss this opportunity to upgrade your work fleet or start your next venture. For more details or to make it yours, visit the Facebook Marketplace link below. Visit the listing on Facebook Marketplace. Experience luxury and style with this 2016 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, now available for just $9,500 in Jamaica, New York. This SUV has been driven 96,160 miles and features a sleek blue exterior paired with a refined beige interior. Equipped with an automatic transmission and running on petrol, it's the perfect blend of performance and efficiency. This Evoque has been well cared for by only 2 owners, with a clear history and no significant damage or problems. Plus, it's fully paid off, offering you peace of mind and hassle-free ownership. Whether you're navigating city streets or taking on weekend adventures, the Range Rover Evoque delivers a premium driving experience that's second to none. Don't miss your chance to own this stylish and capable SUV at an incredible price. For more details or to make it yours, visit the Facebook Marketplace link below. Visit the listing on Facebook Marketplace. Step into luxury with this 2024 Land Rover Range Rover Sport Dynamic, now available for $95,000 in Short Hills, NJ. This nearly brand new SUV has only 3,500 miles on the odometer and is just 5 months old. Featuring a sleek gray exterior and a bold red interior, it's a stunning blend of elegance and performance. Powered by a petrol engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, this vehicle offers the ultimate driving experience. With a sticker price of $109,000, this Sport Dynamic comes loaded with all the options you can imagine. It has a clear history, no damage, and has been owned by just one meticulous owner. The reason for selling? The owner's wife prefers a full-size Range Rover. Priced to sell with no room for negotiation, this deal is for serious buyers only. Don't miss the chance to own this exceptional SUV. For more details or to make it yours, visit the Facebook Marketplace link below. Visit the listing on Facebook Marketplace.